Black dress shoes are a staple in any man's wardrobe. They are versatile and can be worn with a variety of outfits, from a business suit to a pair of jeans. The most common styles of black dress shoes are Oxfords, derbies, and loafers. Oxfords are the most formal of the three and are typically worn with a business suit. Derbies are slightly less formal than Oxfords and can be worn with both business and casual attire. Loafers are the most casual of the three and are often worn with business casual attire. Black dress shoes should be made from high-quality leather and should be properly cared for to maintain their appearance. When choosing black dress shoes, it's important to consider the occasion and dress code to ensure that the shoes are appropriate. Black dress shoes can be paired with black, grey, or navy suits for a classic and sophisticated look. They can also be worn with a pair of chinos and a button-up shirt for a more casual yet polished outfit. Investing in a high-quality pair of black dress shoes is worth it in the long run, as they will last for years and can be worn for a variety of occasions.